if you're to know, I'm feeling very depressed. I'm not supposed to enter this year, but my friends pressured me into this, so yeah. What would make me the best Devil Day ambassador? Stupid question. I'm a sort of procrastinating writer, just like this chap here, and I write short stories in my free time. All of them have been rejected up to date. I also try to learn how to write scripts for TV and radio, just like this guy did here. Yeah, not going well. I work as a sandwich maker in real life, just like Arthur did in the books. And no, we don't have any perfectly normal beasts. They're currently out of season, so sorry to disappoint you. I identify with Arthur most of the time, but for some reason my friends always associate me with Marvin. I'm not entirely sure why. I like to think of myself as a pretty chill person. I just don't really have an idea about what's going on, so, you know, a guide would be nice. Basically, that's it. So, if you excuse me now, I'm going to go and make a cup of tea. Hopefully, that will restore my normality.